Welcome to Little Victor's Yoga. My name's Meredith and I'm a music therapist at CS Mott Children's Hospital. Today we are going to do sun salutations. I'm going to be doing the singing and playing guitar, and my friend Jess is going to show you all of the yoga poses and motions, and we hope you can join along. Thanks!
Hi everyone, I'm Jess, a child life specialist and a yoga teacher. Like Meredith said, I'll be showing you how to do a sun salutation, which is a group of stretches that's great for any time of day, but especially in the morning to help you wake up. Enjoy!
Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do a sun salutation. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do a sun salutation. Stretch up high, hang down low. Feet jump back, belly on the ground. Look at the sun. Now downward dog and breathe and breathe. Feet jump up. Hang down low, stretch up high, mountain pose. Stretch up high, hang down low, feet jump back, belly on the ground. Look at the sun. Now downward dog and breathe and breathe. Feet jump up, hang down low, stretch up high, mountain pose. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. I can do it, you can do it, we can do a sun salutation. Sun salutation, dance for the sun. Sun salutation, dance for the sun.